What's up YouTube? Welcome back to the channel once again. You know I appreciate having you here. I'm not going to speak much on this one. I fancy just riding. Sun's out, bike's out. I was going to say sun's out, buns out, but they definitely are not out because it is cold. Not that I get my buns out in the summer, so don't expect anything on the summer videos. I'm just saying, sun's out. Let's go sun's out, fun's out. There you go. Roll the titles. Thank you very much for sticking around. Right, the aim of this one is nothing special, a little bit raw. We're going to go a little bit raw with just an exhaust sound on this beautiful Africa Twin and this lovely exhaust by Fuel Exhausts. So if you tuned in for me babbling on about nothing as usual, you're going to be disappointed. But if you tuned in and you don't like me babbling on about nothing, you're probably getting to this point already and thinking, why are you still talking? Well, I'll tell you what, I'm going to be quiet very soon and just get on with riding with this beautiful exhaust. So let's go. anything. Right, so that's about it for this one. We've caught up with some traffic now, so let's just chill out and make our way home. Thank you for joining me on this one. Not a lot of rabbiting. Some of you will appreciate that, some of you won't. Who knows? Anyway, don't forget to subscribe, to like, to share, to do all those things that you need to do. Also, hit that notification bell so you guys can get the drop on these videos. If you so desire, leave a comment downstairs in the comment section. Just leaves me to say, you know what, of you all, stay safe, fish out.
Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead, get gone. Get all your bags, get out my house. I don't want your stuff around. I never did you wrong, but you did me wrong. So go ahead and get gone.